What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get more dice in Monopoly Go quickly and easily. The first thing we'll do is tap into our Monopoly Go app. I'm going to show you a couple different ways in here. Some are paid and some are free. So one of the easiest ways is to tap on the deals, sales, and bargains. We'll tap into the first one here. You can see you get 40 dice for $2. You also get money and you get stickers. If you decide to purchase that, the next sticker pack will be free and the next 5 dice and money pack will also be free. The next one I tapped, I get 5 free dice right off the bat. I also get a money stack right off the bat, and then I can pay $10 for 235 dice and stickers. The next couple options are free. I'll collect my 5 free dice here, and I'll just go ahead and collect my free offers. Here's a deal, it's $44.99. You get 1,700 dice in here. Friends Forever pack, it's $4.99. You get 340 dice, a couple stickers, and a money stack. You can purchase this up to 3 times. You can also tap the shop in the top left corner. This gives you a couple of different options. There's one free option here I'll show you in just a second. There's also a couple of paid options here. For 30 dice, it's $2 plus 50 bonus dice. For 3,200 dice, it's $99.99 plus 1,500 bonus dice. And there's options from the low end to the high end there. At the very top of the screen, you can see it's 55 dice, a money stack, and a sticker pack for $2. You can purchase this up to 3 times. The next pack is 90 dice, a money stack, and some stickers. This one's $2.99 and you can purchase it 3 times. You can see this one's $4.99, it's 160 dice. You can also purchase this one 3 times. These each go up in price a little bit. This one's $19.99. You get 1,100 dice and you can still purchase this one up to 3 times. The last slide here is the free option. You get a free option every 8 hours. All I did was tap and I got 21 dice. On the right side of your screen, you'll see different games and goals. You can tap into those, and those often have options where you can receive dice. I'll tap into the game here. You can see in this game, I can receive 75 dice for 55 tickets. Another way to get dice is just to roll. Just about every roll, you get some kind of reward. Sometimes you get a loss. You'll see on this roll, I landed a chance and I collected 9 dice. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope this helped you collect extra dice on Monopoly Go quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this one. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you and I'll see you in the next one.